Hello, friends! Welcome to the channel. Now, we're sharing a simple and friendly dialogue between a customer and a waiter at a restaurant. Let's see how Lily orders her meal and enjoys a lovely dining experience.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Diner. How can I help you today?
Good evening. Thank you. I would like to order something for dinner. Can you tell me about today's special?
Of course. Our special today is grilled chicken served with mashed potatoes and a side of fresh vegetables. It's one of our most popular dishes.
That sounds wonderful. I'll have the special, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like to start with a soup or a salad, Fisher?
I will have the vegetable soup, please.
What would you like to drink?
A glass of lemonade would be great.
Perfect. And would you like to have dessert after your meal?
What desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and a variety of ice cream.
But the chocolate cake sounds perfect. I'll have that.
Great choice. I'll bring your soup and lemonade right away. Your main course will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Here is your grilled chicken with mashed potatoes and vegetables.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
That's the end of Lily's visit to the restaurant. We hope you enjoyed this easy and fun conversation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. I'll see you next time. Take care and have a wonderful day.